Yeah, hello. So this will be our last lecture for the course. So we'll finish off with the differential species mass balance. Okay, sorry, species spelling is wrong over here. Uh, so this is the differential species mass balance equation written right in front of you in the first equation itself. Now it will be very easy for you to understand because we have already seen x momentum, mass balance, etc. So here WA is basically in case of mass balance, we have total mass balance we had 1. In case of x linear momentum balance, we had Vx, right? So this is very easy to understand, this transient and convection terms. Okay, but in the RHS, we have dou by dou x of Jx, dou by dou of Jy, dou by dou z of Jz. So this basically you can understand from the energy balance, right? We had written Qx, Qy, Qz. So Jx represent diffusion of species in the x direction and so on. So it's for diffusion. And Ra is the reaction term. So the physical significance is given over here. LHS, we have time rate of change of mass of species A per unit volume. Yeah, obviously. Net rate of flow of mass of species A out by convection per unit volume. These three terms. And then the RHS, net rate of addition of mass of species A. Okay, addition means inlet. Okay, by diffusion per unit volume. And then we have net rate of generation of mass of species A by reaction per unit volume. In the previous lecture, the small r which we had seen in integral balance was for the entire control volume, but this small r is per unit volume. Fine. Okay, let's move on. So the diffusion terms that we had seen, this is the derivation for that is shown over here very clearly. So we again took the same control volume, delta x, delta y, delta z. So that is how we do the differential differential balance equations, right? So we have the Jx at x delta y delta z entering, and then Jx at x plus delta x delta y delta z leaving. So we'll take pairwise and then write down the net inlet of mass of species A into the control volume. So we have what that is exactly what's written over here for x direction, y direction, z direction, and then we divide by the volume of this small cube, and therefore we get what is shown over here, and then obviously we will apply the limit as delta x delta y delta z tends to 0. So this is something which we already know. Okay, and then we'll get a negative sign because Jx at x minus Jx at x plus delta x. So I hope you understand that also. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this is what the first equation is, again the same differential mass balance equation, species mass balance equation which we had seen earlier, and this written in terms of the convective and the diffusion fluxes, right? This for convective and this for diffusion terms. The same thing can be represented in vector notation as dou by dou t of rho WA. This will remain same plus del dot divergence of rho V bar WA. Okay, so this also should make sense from our previous balance equation discussion. And then this term would be the divergence of the diffusion flux vector plus RA, it remains same. So in terms of total flux, that is the flux of species A in y direction, we know NAY is equal to JY plus rho A Vy. So this is something we know, right? This is the contribution from diffusion and then from convection. So NAY is the total flux of species A. Okay. So dou by dou t of rho A, rho WA can be written as rho A. We know that. Plus, now this diffusion terms, okay, which we see over here, can be taken to the LHS and simplified to get dou by dou x of NAX, dou by dou y of NAY, plus dou by dou z of NAZ, according to this equation which we see over here, is equal to RHS will be just RA. The same thing can be represented in vectors as shown, where NA bar, okay, that will be the total flux vector of for species A. And the same in the material derivative viewpoint, we know again this we have also discussed. So rho into dou by dou t of plus v dot del of WA will be equal to rho substantial derivative of the mass fraction of species A, which in turn will be equal to the RHS of this for our first equation of species balance situation. Okay, so with this we are done with this course. Thank you for paying attention. So yeah, thank you.